So everybody keeps asking me, how does the Yoshi exhaust sound? Is it loud? They say, is it too loud or does it sound good? How loud is it? Start them up. Oh, new driver. Well, so if you like the sound of this exhaust, it's basically a pretty easy clip-on setup here. This is the old plate here for the other big exhaust that was in there, the stock one, and bolts to that. Nothing too complicated. And I'll just go around the other side here. Got your exhaust tip out here. It's nicer and a little bigger, meatier than kind of like the X3 almost there, instead of the little guy that comes out here. So there, you can see where the old exhaust originally sat. So we're just bolted into the little, it's like a little plate that just bolts through here, and a couple clips, bolts on there and there, pipe bolts onto here. So it's nice, smooth, it's nice, super solid, super tight setup. I love the sound of it. It's nice. Pretty much wherever you are, wherever we're riding, we can. When this one takes off, you hear it from quite a ways away, if you don't mind that. But doesn't mean it's crazy loud inside. Like we put the decibel meter up to this too, compared to the X3s, the new 2020 one that's even quieter, and this is still a little bit quieter than that one even still. So if you like the look of that, looks decent. Pretty good. And there's that, and yeah, just go here, look real quick over here, and this is the original, right? So there's your mounts, and the original tailpipe looked the same one that's on the trail and the Maverick Sport and everything else. So just comes off from there. It was one big heavy unit, I tell you that. God, this thing weighs a good chunk. So just go back over here and you see basically, right, bolt on there, you know, the system just clips on there. This heat shield's all stock and everything. You unbolt her here, take her off, the unit slides in and out, and like I say, it wasn't a big crazy job. So other than that, yeah, there's a little bit of a quick just for this little bit of wiring here, we put some extra exhaust wrap or whatever around on that, just to keep that wiring from getting too hot, right? Because it's plugged in there and that's where it sits. So it's not a big deal though, no problems. But yeah, hope you like the sound of that, and if you're thinking about doing it, I mean, so many different upgrades you can do, but I'd say this one was well worth it, especially on this kind of machine. It just sounds really, really good with the V-twin. So, all right, stay tuned. We'll again check the back bumper on this one for the next one in the next videos here.